Brian to was young Cobra One, and I'm with the back of me and Yanni as a Fremano. What for me? The what Rami? A poetic army, the crown at a Fremano, or cramming your den. And I'm a big boy with it. Fine boy, oh yeah, me too, me so me boyfriend anyone. Why I'm a big boy with it, big boy with it, fine boy. Oh yeah, me too, me so me boyfriend anyone. Why I'm a big boy. Over me power free at the chamo. Hey, you ain't if you're in a belly chamo. Yeah, now guys and now don't go. And come here, me sit down, come and some bobo. Young to me the chow, every chow, and to me the power. And it was not, men so soon, damn and dangerous, say no, but get the right guy, and I'm a big boy with it, fine boy. Oh, you're me so me
okay, so today we're going to teach on how to make an amplifier from a DVD board. Using the DVD board. So as of now we are going to see the manager to take us through.
The manager.
The co-manager.
Where is the board?
Now, okay, Mr. Manager. Yeah, tell us how to do it.
Yes, this is the DVD board. I thought you should. This is the DVD board. Yes. Okay. This is the DVD player. This is the view, the indicator containing the switch and the volume set. This is the so these are the materials that we obtain from the DVD. This board containing the switch, DVD volume, the indicator, and other switch boards. So these are my engineers who brought the ideas and we come together to bring out. So please do this. This is Ahime Apia Imado, aka Apostle, and this is my another engineer, Gilbert. Gilbert Asari, which we brought all our ideas together to bring out this. So my engineers. So what are we going to do to bring out the sound in this board?
And the question again.
What are we going to do now?
I can see they are very busy, so they don't have time for this presentation. But so I'll try as possible to get them to talk.
What are we going to do to bring sound out of this DVD board? That seems very amazing. That any ordinary DVD cannot produce sound from just a DVD board. So what are we going to do now? Okay, so this is a transformer. When connected to this board, we'll power this board. When connected to this board, this DVD board, it will power it. Now we need connect. This is the transformer. Let's say about 12 volts, 6 amps.
What can we see? Let me see.
It is not actually located written on the. It is written on the source where we got it from. So actually, it's very powerful. It seems very small, but very powerful. It is able to power this. It's able to power this board excessively that even a 20 watt, a 30 watt speaker can even
Let me get a closer look at the amplifier itself.
This is the board.
The board?
Yes.
So this is the amplifier.
This is the board. So combining the transformer will give us the amplifier, the mini amplifier. So we have already connected the transformer to the board. So we have to get the power through.
Therefore, your engineers are very good. They are very busy working.
Yes.
We don't want to talk to us.
Yes. This is the power.
Mr. Apia, can you tell us something?
It is our new.
But I gave you. Can you tell us something?
So we have.
Let us finish with everything. So that I can see you are very busy, but at least say something to the media.
So now I'm using the super glue to, join the distance so that you get a stable board on the wood.
To prevent the
Shaking from
the board from
So
shaking.
does the wood over there too has any function?
Yes.
Yes.
What was it?
Allowing like to get space under it so that
Oh,
Or more
okay.
ventilation.
air ventilation.
Oh, okay.
So you see now, some of the materials are not available. So this is where we are going to plug it from the power source to provide this amplifier to power this board. So now we are trying to do some connections over here. So we are not really going to plug it now. So until they are finished. So let's wait for a bit. It's going to take a couple of minutes, but it ain't going to take longer than I thought.
Oh yeah, so as I was saying, now we need a screwdriver to screw the board on the wood so that to make it firm.
I think you're an engineer, so you're supposed to have a screwdriver.
Oh yeah, you're having a screwdriver here. The screwdriver and
This is screw.
and we have the driver.
But you want to screw it?
Yes, yes.
No, don't screw the board. You do it.
See, there is a hole here.
Where is it?
Hole here.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So I want to screw, the nut, the screw on it to make it firm. From shaking. So before you can do that, unless you use the driver to create a hole in it, because there's no hole in it for.
Is it because for it to penetrate?
Yes.
Like I see, if you're going to have sex, you need to erect it
Exactly.
for it to penetration.
Yes. So I'm not screwing,
I can see your manager himself is even an engineer.
That's of
He's
course.
coming to do some wedding. Can you go back to him?
Call it soldering.
Solding.
Yeah. Yeah, hot.
What's in the cover? What's in the cover? Are you cool?
Let me see your face. Let me see your face. So that your wife will see you. Manager himself.
My wife.
Mention the name. Mention the name. Oh, Jay, I love you.
Well, J.
Jay.
J.
Screw.
Yeah, it's mention a name.
Oh. And I'm still searching,
Your Bluetooth is still on.
I'm still searching, so any girl, look at this video and just feel like, and interested in me, just give me a letter, I'm going to accept it. Or just, just give me.
What about if the girl is actually?
What do you mean of sure?
The girl's face is like a man's face.
Oh, what else?
It's normal.
There's a saying, don't mind the body, but mind the engine.
I like that. Is you manager? What's the
Shout out
name?
to my BB girl,
What's the name, ma?
BB.
Baby.
Yes.
Hey, like seriously?
Yeah.
What about you? Presenter?
Yes.
So as of now, I'm just screwing the board on there.
While the manager is doing the soldering, I can see the engineers here too are doing some screwing, fixing, addition and multiplications are going through. So let's still wait for them as they go through the process.
What's it?
Speak on him. For other.
Yes.
Ima.
Yeah?
Fancy them. Darling, come in that.
This is what we call magnetization. What he was doing, do it again. So if you out there can see.
How to make a metal magnetized?
Yes.
Is this the only process
No, we have two types of process,
of magnetized?
No, 3 types.
Is it 3 types?
So 2 types.
Is it 2 types?
Yes.
Are you sure? So I know of 3.
Yes, 3. Yeah, it is 3 types. We have the double and a single and an electrical. Then
Are there types of magnetization, Mr. Engineer?
We have the core one.
We have the
The core one.
the stroking. We have the stroking.
That's,
So at least I also have some idea on.
Okay, so this is why that's why we're calling her. So our engineer gave us this.
So Mr. Presenter, as you can see me, I'm going through the process, taking you through the engineering process of how to make
An amplifier
from a DVD
board. Using a DVD board.
Using a DVD board. Sometimes I forget it because I'm not an engineer myself, but I just have a passion for engineering work. So let's go to the engineers while they do their work.
Come here so that you see what we are doing.
So can't the board get hot that to bend this box?
No, we're going to create a space over here, so it's going to be
going to provide this with the fan.
Yes.
Where's the fan? But I've not seen any fan here.
The fan is being used.
Okay. So Engineer Gabriel said the fan will be here soon. It's on its way inside the ship coming. Or is it playing?
Yes.
I think it's very expensive.
Very, very expensive.
Talking about is it 1,000 Ghana cedis or 2,000?
Pounds.
Only the fan?
Yes.
Like seriously?
Like that.
Viewers out there, we are very serious. We are serious of what we are doing here. What I do is not a joke. You see it for yourself.
The price is 20 pounds. Yeah.
20 pounds?
About.
I see the manager is finding some difficulty in doing some wedding because he has left everything for the engineer. So it's like the expense is not there again. Oh, Mr. Engineer, what do you have to say?
Of course, it's true. It's true. It's true.
It's cool. Yeah. So which parts are these? Can you give us the names of these parts?
Oh, here it's called, this is the video say if we want to watch a video, can just set it here. And this is the audio. This way you can input the
So
code.
we have 4 ports for the audio,
Yes, and
2 for the video.
Yes. And here is the speakers where you want to set your speakers. So you are going to label
and the negative.
You are going to name it your speakers. Here is the audio and here is the video. And here is this switch is the input or the output
For the speakers.
Because we have an internal. So this is the output speaker. So it is here. It is already there. You are pushing to the output. So this is the output and this is the input. This is where the input is.
Input speaker.
Yes, this is where you put the input speaker. Yes, and this so this your current. When you're going to put in this is your transformer.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yes. And what's this? This big thing over there?
Which one?
That one, yeah.
This is your radio, for the radio. If you want to listen to radio.
Radio frequency.
Yes, this one you're going to get your frequency from.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And this black thing there, is it a memory? Because I think we have memory in. Oh, that's not a memory.
Oh, no, that's not a memory.
Well,
it helps to make it. It helps you. This is the.
So now I think we've added the transformer. So let's go to the board once again and see how far they've gone with work. Here's the manager.
The fan is finally in. This is the portable.
I heard the fan is finally in, so let's look at the fan. That costs 20 pounds.
This is you see, this is just not an ordinary fan. This is just not an ordinary fan that you can see around or can even find on the normal market. It's very expensive and a very portable one that we can fix into the mold that we have made for the board here. So it seems it has developed a fault from the shipping company during the clearance. So one wire has been removed, so I'm now coming to solder it so that we can get a power through from making the fan running to provide the ventilation for the board. No, so let's demonstration to do.
Okay, so while you go working on the fan, let me go back to the board and see how far they've gone with it. So what are we doing now? Down. Engineer, what are we doing now? I think the shaman.
So we are trying here for trying to insert the switch.
I can see if I added a transformer.
Yes.
Okay. If it finishes so that I will take a good look at the transformer.
Saka.
Very good. What is it talking?
So slowly, I think we are coming to the climax of it. Things have been added. Now you can see the transformer over there. I can see something like a switch too over there. I can see you are about adding the switch. Is it a switch?
Yes, this is the switch.
Oh, okay, you are about adding the switch, which we have to on and off the Is that what you use it for?
Yeah, that's the main character.
The main factor of it.
Yes.
Okay.
And so, I'm saying it's in music.
Okay. Momo will do out for the plan.
So it's going to be somewhere in here. Like all but with the so that the oil can be here. So that like it will not be
It should be somewhere here because it will lie there too.
Wait.
You would show off the money problem. There's
Ready. You ready on the power? Alright. Okay.
the board now too.
Okay.
So while we're waiting, we go for some commercial break. By the time we come back, they are done with it. Welcome back. So let us go to the engineer to tell us how far they've gone with it, even as we went for the commercial break. Professor Engineer,
For now, you fix the transformer in it. We are about to join it to the motherboard now. I want to join the transformer to the
I see the thing has become more complicated now.
Yeah, because of the wires.
The wiring.
Yeah, the wiring.
Okay.
Because of this thing.
As I see manager has got a visitor, so I'm going to see the visitor. But we'll be back in some minutes, so I will go to him and he will tell us. He will tell us how far. I can see the manager is back, so let's go back to the manager so that he will tell us how far people have gone with it. Mr. Manager, you are live. You are live on. You are live on Chapter TV. Can you tell us what's going on, Mr. Manager?
We are trying to get everything assembled at the corporate. We are trying to get everything, every component of the sword and every wiring assembled correctly and appropriately. So we are just kind of being busy and a bit of confusion is trying to flow and we are trying to ignore it. So with no time, we are going to try the power through and everything will be on board. Thank you.
We'll be hoping to get some DJing makers that and see whether the amp is a good amp or something like 2x4 something. I hope it's not 2x4 something.
Oh no, it's just a genuine and a properly made.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Manager. Let's go back to the engineers and see how far things are going. I see they're still doing some additions. I think it's getting more complicated and more complicated. That's the power cable.
Yes.
Whoa.
What the output? Where the output goes? Red and white. Yes, we have in everything. We have two ways of we have everything, several ways of killing a cat. So we also have two ways in which you can use this amplify.
The speaker.
And we have two speaker lineups. We have the input, we have the output. And this is the output, and this is the input wire that you can connect to any other speaker you want. If you want to use this one too, you can use this side. You know, this is what is called the output. You can use it for.
And I think it's negative and positive.
Yes.
Which color is positive and which color is negative?
The red is the positive and the black is the negative.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So in case someone goes to use it and put a negative one and a positive one, what's going to happen to the speaker?
There will be no sound. There will not be sound.
Oh, okay.
And let's say the output is good port, you can use the input, which is this wire. Yes. Okay. Try to get out.
You're taking it out.
Yes.
His manager said check the...
Wait. Press down. Oh no. Put down. Put it down. Down. Okay. You make it young.
Yeah, make it. I change the position.
Then make it.
So this is our input speaker if you want to connect any speaker to it. And this is our output speaker.
Can I have a glance, a very good glance at the full thing? So viewers, this is our inbuilt amplifier made from a DVD player. That's homemade amplifier.
Yeah.
Having the board itself, the transformer, the switch, the input speakers, output speakers, something, the
DC cable.
The DC cable. What's the name of the DC?
Direct.
Current. Okay. And we have the radio frequency. And we have the board. We have the audio switch. Okay, you can see the switch over here, the main switch. We have a lot of wires, blue, yellow, red, black, all has a specific function, I think. So, are we done? No.
Yeah, chemistry, yeah, done.
Almost done. Okay, you see the manager is still working on the 20 pound fan. So, we are still waiting for him to bring it so that we finish everything. But I think, engineers, I think it can still be used without the fan.
Yes.
Because I think you created a headspace for it.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So for the meantime, you'll be using it without the fan. I don't know, I think they are connecting the speakers, connecting something so that they'll start to do some testing and see whether it is really working.
Yes. Red one. White one. No,
The right is.
Yes, and this is our
line out.
line out. So Gigi, can you please?
So I think they are bringing the camera closer for you to have a good glance at the almost completed homemade amp. We are looking at the things exterior. I think we've had a much look at the things interior, but we can still go interior and see things over there. But let's go and see how they connected. I think they connected the speakers. These are for the speakers, I guess. And these are
This is the audio. The audio.
oh, okay, the audio ports.
Yes.
They connected the speakers to it.
Yes. These are.
Let's look at the speaker they connected. Let's see how powerful that speaker may be. Okay, I heard they have added some vantage points that will make it sound very well. So let's have a good glance also at the interior aspect of it before we go to the testing aspect of it. This is the overall board of the amp. This is the inbuilt amp. Let me say the homemade amp made by engineer Gilbert, engineer Emmanuel Apostle, and their own manager Jojo Currency. So can we now see how it functions? While they try to fix things.
And the designer was doing the design box.
Let's see another. Let's go for another commercial break, even as they prepare themselves to do the testing. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Yes. So we are done. We are done with the assembling.
So we have a completed homemade amp.
Yes. So we are not
made by. Please, what's the name of your company, the engineering company?
Yes.
So we are back at Velos Technology, where we have the homemade amplifier. So as we have it on our screen, this is the homemade amplifier, a well completed one. You can see how wretched and how blah 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 they are placing, showing how they store to do these things. That's engineer Gilbert for you.
Yes.
That's manager Jojo Currency for you.
Yes.
That's engineer Apostle Emmanuel for you.
What else?
That is Ante. So this is the final part at the company name. As Veron Technology, where we have our homemade amplifier made. So let's go to our manager Jojo. As you can see, let me shout out before we go to the
Probably I want to say a big thank you so much.
Okay. Let's go on to engineer David.
Yeah. And now we are done with it. Amplifier being made from this.
Okay, you all have the final words. Let's go to engineer Pierre Apostle.
Oh, thank God for the wonderful idea he has given to us.
Okay, so now let's go back to our amplifier itself and see what it is. And we can see, as we have on our screen, this is the work finished and completed.
You can see the switch.
Work finished and completed amplifier made from a DVD player. As you can see.
So this the DC.
These are final parts of the amplifier made at Zero Technology. That's our manager we have on the screen. Our engineer Gabriel, engineer Foster,
What else?
So this is our input. So our engineer Afia will take us through the parts of it, some of the parts, and we go back to the testing of it.
Yeah, this is our switch. How we connect some wires and to make something very nice. This is our switch. This is our transformer that is to transform the power to a current that be able to suitable for the device. Yes, and these are our capacitors and our resistors and so many things to make up the amp.
Do you have a meter here? No meter.
No, what is that?
Is just instrument used to measure the current.
Oh, okay, so what do we have at the back to engineer?
Oh, we have the DC cable and the input, the speaker input and the speaker output. We have the line out, the Aussie cord. Yes. And this is the radio and the audio, the DVD, the switch, to make it very nice. Yes, that's all.
And in front here?
And in front here we have the switch, the main switch. Right.
Okay, so as of now we are going back to our manager for him to tell us what made it possible for this thing to be made completely and effective. And we'll see how it will function by testing it with a laptop and some speakers, and we'll see how it will go. So manager Jojo, please tell us something about the completed item.
Okay, so before I will take you through the component that we have made over here. This component we just gathered from a common DVD that we found somewhere. So let's just say we are just trying to recycle the product. So instead of just
I like that word, recycle.
Instead of damaging it somewhere, we are trying to make something out of it. So these are the components that we found. This is the board that we found from the DVD and from our own transformer that we discovered too. This is the main power which gives this board. So without this transformer, we won't be able to get power flowing through this power and leave out the sound that we need here. So for this transformer, we have connected it to this board here, which is the yellow cord. You can see there's a key and a key holder which is connected to the board, which will give the power switch when this is switched on. So before to get power flowing through, we have connected a switch here, which from our technical managers and our engineers brought us idea that we can bring out something like this. Even it wasn't easy bringing out this, but from our engineers and our ideas that we combine, we are able to bring out some switch that we can on and off of it. So we are trying to advance it by bringing an indicator or a busy light, which when switched on, the indicator light will indicate meaning there is a power, a true and a current flowing through this device.
Okay.
So before we do this, we are going to plug it and see how. But the amazing part of this device is it is able to power over 40 watt speakers.
40 watt speaker.
It can power 40 watt speaker, which is very, very amazing. What you can see, you might think it's very simple thing that amazing. You can even imagine, but it can power a 40 watt speaker. This is just a common 30 watt speaker. You see, you can have 30 ohm and a power of 30 watts, but we have yes, we have double of this speaker here, so we have already connected to the speaker line now, which we have one at the input and we have one at the output. So now this is our AC. This is our AC cord, which we are going to connect it to the main source of the power so that we can get a current flowing through the transformer and power, which can power the board. So our engineer is trying to do some connection here
because I think you are lacking some items.
Yes,
the chip has delayed.
Yes, please. This is just a gist of it that we are about to advance it to the final part of this component.
Okay.
And I'm going to this is the final part which is going to be on the market. This is just the idea that we have put together to bring just to ensure the sound, a true sound which you can get from this device. So we have already have a power flowing this. So let's see if we can give it a sound out of this circuit.
I think it's testing to see whether power is flowing through.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's get that some music.
Yeah, so I'm testing whether there is a power flowing in it to check whether everything is completed. So we now want to, test whether it is okay with
the car
and this
sound it can give.
And this is the cord that we are using for the laptop. We are connecting the line out.
Cord, we are going to connect it to the laptop.
Yes.
The sound.
Okay. So as we connect it to the laptop. So you can see it has been connected to the laptop, and let's see how it faces down, and where it enters.
This is the line out which is being connected to the amplifier.
So we can see they are not doing anything just here, but everything has been done systematical.
Yes.
So we will now play and see whether we hear some sound here.
Yes. So we just press on the.
So we just go. Amazing, and it is working. Let's listen to the sound. You can see how the speaker is flying. Amazing. You can see how happy they are. DJ, change the track for let's see. DJ. Oh, seriously, I think you should give us some dance and see how they are. Watch out for your mind. And I think it's very happy. Very, very happy.
I mean, it's nice to get this on our own.
And how amazing it is. This thing here is giving this sound. And I'm going to give up to a 40 watt machine. Very, very amazing. Very, very amazing.
Giving us that idea.
So that's why
I am trying to cover it, to make it very nice. So anything or what other people or do we not do a power?
You can see that now they are covering it to make it safe.
From road dents and pests and other.
From death, I think they say they are covering it to be free from death, avoid any distraction and other things. So we have it finally made because everything is successful now. Everything is successful now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So we'll go back to our engineers and our managers for the last, so that they tell us what they have for us. Engineer Gabriel to start with us.
Yeah. For now, we thank God for giving us such an idea to get to make the recycling from the DVD board to turn it what produce such. Yes, that's an amplifier from it. We thank God. Yeah. We thank God for everything. What else? Yeah.
Okay, so our senior engineer will tell us something.
Yeah.
Manager.
We thank God for the wonderful thing He has done for us. The great thing that He has given us, the ideas. It's not our mind, it's not our power, by the Holy Ghost and His, ability and fulfilling us with the Spirit, to do such a thing, make it very nice and wonderful, because it's nobody who can do this, but God has given the wisdom. So it's all we thank God for everything that He has done for us.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's go to our manager. Let's go to our manager to give us his final words.
We say two heads are better than one, and it's indeed true, because I'm not the only person who brought out this idea, and it wasn't easy coming this far because we started this right early from the morning, and look at how far and what time it is. So I thank my Almighty God for giving us such a wonderful idea, an amazing gift that which we are going to able to reveal it here. That for my presence and my fellow engineers around, we very appreciate for the kind and your ideas that we have brought onto this thing. But for my people out there, you see, some components are just, we can say they are just scrap, but if we think critically, you can make something out of those scrap that you see them around somewhere. So not everything that you see on the boiler or damaged, some places are all really damaged, but you can make something out of it. So I'm encouraging everybody who is into technology or into engineering, those kind of electronics, and how to bring something out of something. I'm encouraging you to try one, and you will not, go astray.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Manager. Let's hear some shout outs from the manager and his co-workers. So, Mr. Manager, give us some shout outs.
First of all, we are
about 3 shout outs.
First of all, we are first year students of koforidua Poly, and I give all my shout outs to all the students of koforidua Poly. Salute, and all my friends out there. Salute to Termini and my baby girl, Bibi. Yeah, I beat you.
Let's go to Engineer Gabriel to give us his last words and his shout out.
Yeah. That's me, Gabriel, aka Revelation. Yeah. And shout out goes out there to my mom, my sisters, and everyone, and even my dog. Yeah, what's up?
Cool.
Love you.
Let's go to our senior engineer. Happy to give us his last word in the shout out.
My shout out goes to God, the Almighty God. To go for it, but I want to put him down for us. My next shout out goes to my parents, and everybody, all my friends out there, and everybody. And by anyway, I've started on my Bluetooth there. I'm just searching for a wonderful lady, to be with me. But so I thank you so much. I need a lady.
Thank you very much.
What the company name? So that I can. Yeah.
What the company name?
There we
are.
So
can I see you holding the item? Where is the item?
Produced by Veros Technology.
Veros Technology. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, viewers. So we have come to the climax or the end of our technological work. We've now seen how to make an homemade amplifier from export, let me say export DVD, how to do some recycling. Thanks very much to these koforidua polytechnic students, and we ask that may God bless you, give you more ideas to come out with greater things, for us also to get some good engineers in Ghana. Peace be unto you, all viewers. Bye. Bye.
Mede minsa obon samani minsu na minti mede minsa obon samani o time no Russia ubeti munyai mie munyai mie munyai mie munyai mio munyai mie munyai Imagine feet Nancy Untimin Coanim. After Monaba, or come for Bonnie Kudo Bass what movie. Munia Tempa, Babo Mendiasa, and some Tim Comonim. Munia Tenka, Menemuna Munina, Saname Hunte Munyai Mie, Munyai Mie, Munyai Mie, Munyai Mio, Munyai Mie, Munyai Mie, Munyai Mie. Sao bonsamani minsu nyaminti mede minsao bonsamani otame Russia ubeti munyai mie munyai mie munyai mie munyai mio munyai mie munyai mie munyai mie munyai mio yo nyami bite
ya frame cartoon mi filmo minimu nyeku mo na mo bu so flu mo pa de pa dance muntu ya diu adama boje se be fudu bu bu ka ru you figure say I dey fear you elephant step man want you
sao bonsamani minsu nyaminti mede minsao bonsamani otame Russia ubeti munyai mie munyai mie munyai mie munyai mio munyai mie munyai mie munyai mio yo it's a macho there in Kawunku.